Whoa.
You see? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2018 Toyota 4Runner TRD off-road 4-wheel drive. This 4Runner is the super beast. It's ready to go. In the last video, you did see us bust this new radiator support out, get everything welded on. Everything is 100% OEM. We're going to check it real quick. We're going to check the square, make sure everything's right before we start putting it back together. Because I think today we're going to finish painting up these little spots where we welded. We're going to get all that painted, get this thing looking really good, get our radiator out, get our condenser out. This thing is getting close. It's getting ready for the paint booth. So I tell you what, let's stop talking and let's start working. Alrighty, guys, we've been working like crazy. We got a bunch of stuff done. We got the radiator support all painted up. We stuck the fenders back on just for safekeeping so we don't dent them up, because our brand new fender already come out of the box with the little dinger right here. We're gonna fix that, gonna put a little glaze on it. But what I think we're gonna do first, we're gonna set this hood off, flip it upside down on the stand, and get us some seam sealer. And then we're going to seam sealer the hood up, get it ready. We're probably not going to paint it today, but we're going to get the hood ready. And while we got it off, that'll give us plenty of time to get the radiator back on, get the condenser back on, get everything back on, so this thing can actually run and drive. That's what we're going to do now. Let's hop to it. Alrighty guys, we've been working really hard, been working like crazy on this 4Runner today. Everything is coming together amazing. It's perfect. It's 100% OEM. We got both headlights in, we got the radiator in, we got the condenser in, we got the windshield washer fluid reservoir in, we got both pumps wired up, headlights are wired up. We adjusted on the hood gaps. Everything is turning out 100% amazing. I don't know what else we can do. We're 100% completely caught up with the parts that we got. I did tie it up with some string. We got some string tied on the fender liner because I want to take it down the road, see how it's going to go. We know it's going to do perfect. But I do think that that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. If you like this video and you like this content, drop us a like. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.